So now I've actually opened my email through Internet Explorer, and some people would have Internet Explorer as their default web browser. So I'm using a Gmail account, and already Gmail's telling me that I'm using a version of Internet Explorer which Gmail no longer supports. Gmail, Google Chrome, it's all part of the whole Google family, and it suggests that I upgrade to a modern browser such as Google Chrome. So simply by clicking at this step onto Google Chrome would take me through the steps to upload Google Chrome. You might be accessing it from Hotmail or another account. So let's just go through as if my web browser was Internet Explorer and see what happens now if I double click on the link. Firstly, it's a lot slower to upload, and up here we're having the bar, you are using a version of Internet Explorer which is unsupported. It's not going to open it up correctly. So it suggests that I update my browser with Google Chrome, and that's what you're going to have to do now at this stage. It doesn't mean that if you're very comfortable using Internet Explorer or Firefox or another web browser, this is not going to warp or make any difference to your computer. It's just to open this file that you're going to have as an option Google Chrome as a web browser. So, I'm not asking you to make it your default web browser. Let's just go through that process. So I'm going to double click on Google Chrome. And we do accept and install. It's now installing that program onto your computer. Icon will be on your website, on your desktop I should say. So I've actually got it there here, and it's also on my toolbar there. Alright, so now that I have that, let's see if I can go through and download. Then I would open the document. Great, so we've got that document, we enable editing, and then we go into File, Save As, because we're now creating this file with your name on it onto your computer. So you'd put your name in here, so I'm going to put in at the front Cheryl Hall, leave the rest of the information the same, and I'm going to save it there on my desktop if I've got that option, or just throw it there in my documents file. So I'll create a new one, right click, new file, open, and I'm going to save that there. Great, so that's where you will save your module to. You'll be able to work through it all, saving as you go, which you'll hear in another YouTube instruction, and submit as a one-job lot. If you're still having any difficulties, don't hesitate to give us a phone call. We can ring you straight back so it doesn't cost you any phone money, and we'll help you resolve the problem.